Oh, hi, I'm eating today. Eating. Today we're gonna try all these different salsas. I was like, people love salsa because salsa is really good. It outsells ketchup, they say on Seinfeld. So I went like bought all the basic salsas you can get in a grocery store, like Frontera, Organics, Pace, Chi-Chi's, Red Gold, and Hernandez, and Jack's. So I bought all these different salsas. I'm putting them on my favorite chips, donkey chips. If you've been a long time watcher, you know I love donkey chips. Hold on. I almost got it. Note to self, hit the gym, get some donkey chips. Okay, so what should I try first here? Whew. First I'll try the Pace. Hernandez. These are very hard to get open. I'm gonna get a little bowl. And then I need a little bowl for everything. I'm just going straight in. Okay. Well, I can see everything good at the bottom. I need a bowl. Let's see what we got here from Hernandez. Oh, this is very, we're gonna call this very not thick. This is very, we wanna see it up close here? This is just very runny stuff. But good. That's pretty good. It's got a little bit of heat to it. It's good. It kind of has that Southwest style. I'm gonna say a little bit of fiery, smoky taste to it. That's pretty good. Next up, rolled gold, red gold salsa. I'm getting medium on everything except for keep it even playing field, you know. Here we go. Red gold is good. Not much heat, but it has a nice tomato, like fresh tomatoey flavor to it that I like. Next up, Chi-Chi's. Here's a fun fact for you. At one point, my parents lived 2 doors down the road from the guy who founded Chi-Chi's, who was also a former Green Bay Packer. I know. I've had a crazy life, people. I need a skinnier chip to get down in here. This is very thick. No heat. Tastes very similar to the red gold one over here. It's like a very kind of tomatoey flavor to it. It's surprisingly good. It's kind of sweet though for me personally. It's a little sweet. What's up next? I don't even know what I picked up. This is Pace Restaurante style. Definitely more, a little bit, maybe slightly more heat than those, but really no heat at all. Really no taste at all. That's a boring salsa right there. I would not recommend that one. This is organics, fancy. Let's see what we got here. I can see already there's lots of chunky stuff in there. Again, very mild. It's weird, like, oh, I got mild. I thought I bought medium on that one. Anyway, organics is not much flavor really. Really mild, no heat at all. Oh, goodness gracious. Next up is Frontera. Frontera Grill is a great restaurant over here in Chicago. If you're around, it's Frontera Grill. They had a lot of different flavors, but I just went with the most standard looking one. This is good. This reminds me a lot of the Hernandez over here, because it has that kind of smoky Southwest flavor to it. I like it. Next up, this is Jack's. Now, when I'm buying salsa for myself, and I don't have time to go to a really good Mexican grocery store or a great taco place where I can get like some freshly made salsa, Jack's is what I'll buy. You'll find it in your refrigerated area. Anyway, here we go. It's very thick. Look at, come up close, look at this thickness. That's a lot of good tomatoey thickness right there. This is great. This is like 89% better than any of the other ones. This is really good stuff. This one you can sit down, you can just eat all day long. And you know, salsa is super healthy for you because it's all vegetables and stuff, so it's like basically like having a salad and chips together. So I'm gonna rank them now. Number 1, obviously Jack's. Number 2, I'm gonna do a tie between the Frontera and the Hernandez because they're very similar. Number 3, surprisingly, Red Gold. Who knows? Then Chi-Chi's. Then Pace. And then on the end, the Junker Organics, which is mainly because I think I bought the mild instead of the medium. It might be better than those guys over there, but I bought the wrong one. I don't know what you're going to do about that, though. I don't know. So, there you go. If you're going to buy salsa, get yourself some Jack's or some other like fresh refrigerated kind. Way better. If you don't have a good refrigerated stuff, go for Frontera or Hernandez. Don't have those? Go right down the road. Go your Red Gold, your Chi-Chi's, your Pace, or your stupid organic one that's the mild one. Chi-Chi's, I'm totally surprised by how good that was. I thought that was going to be a real garbage one. Anyway, see you next time.